Hello friend, if you wanna to unlock your smartphone in just only 2 minutes, so this video is especially made for you. Yes, my friend, in this video I can show you how can you remove your pin pattern password lock in just only 2 minutes without any using software, without any using computer. So let's start this video. First of all, you have to put your smartphone in airplane mode. Okay, this is the airplane mode, and you have to activate this. After that, you have to remove your SIM card and memory card from your smartphone. After that, you have to swipe up and click the emergency call here. After that, you have to use a code to close all your background running application first, and for that this code to be used by you, and this code name is offline mode code, and you have to call this code for 3 times. For example, when I am click the call button, the call failed pop-up message will come in your smartphone. So you have to click on the OK button here, and you have to repeat the same process for 3 times continuously, 2 and 3. After that, you have to clear this mobile screen. After that, you have to use a code which name is Google FRP code, and you have to use that Google FRP code to unlock your smartphone. And this is the major important step. And the code for Google FRP code is given here: 56963 star 1255 star 0808 and hash. And this is the updated and current Google FRP code, and you have to use that code to open your smartphone. But this smartphone will expire on every month. So if you have to require this code, so you have to comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will reply with a new Google FRP code to you, so that you will be also able to unlock your smartphone. Because of that, this code provided by Google on every month, and every old Google FRP code has been expired by new code. So you have to require every time a new code. Okay, and this time this code is updated and current updated code. So otherwise, you have to call this code for 7 times. When you click the call button, again call fail pop-up message will come in on your smartphone. So you have to click on OK, and you have to repeat the same process for 7 times: 4, 5, 6 and 7. You can take a screenshot for this Google FRP code. After that, you have to click on the home button here, and you can see that, my friend, your smartphone is completely unlocked, and there is no any photos, videos and data loss of your smartphone. In this way, you can unlock all your Android smartphone. But if your mobile is still not unlocked from this method, in that case, you can comment us by subscribing our YouTube channel. Our team will definitely reply to your comment in just only 2 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your smartphone. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.